Ever had to have your car repaired? What a nightmare! From the stressful crash to the long and painful insurance process to get your car fixed. Now there is an easier way. Introducing Club DingGo, your personal crash management repair helper, taking care of everything for you. From an accident to getting your car repaired and back on the road. Just call Club DingGo anytime 24/7, 365 and we will take care of all the hard stuff. Hit, click, fixed. That's Club DingGo. So, how does Club DingGo work? When your car is damaged, instead of calling your insurer or driving around to get quotes, you can now just take a few photos and submit them with your incident details straight from your phone or calling Club DingGo directly. Then the Club DingGo magic begins. If your repairs are less than your excess, we provide multiple competitive quotes without ever compromising on quality. We'll help save you time, hassle and money so you can get your pride and joy back on the road faster. If your ride is damaged beyond your insurance excess, we will lodge the claim directly with your insurer on your behalf. Once your insurer has authorised the repair to start, you will be notified, and then you can easily book a repair date online that works best for you. Our Club DingGo team is there to help you every step of the way. All repair updates, changes and communications are managed by us between all the relevant parties, so there are no surprises. Once your pride and joy is fixed and looking brand new again, you are notified and returned your car. Club DingGo is a modern, digital-first, 24/7, 365 crash management solution, built to provide Australians with a simple way to navigate through the complexity of crash management with the best possible experience. Hit, click, fixed. Join Club DingGo today and never stress about car repairs again.